Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free left-leaning double decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. It's inverted because I'm currently making all of my knit stitches with the pearl coloured yarn and my pearl stitches with the knit coloured yarn. I've already made the setup in the previous row all round, so you can see I've come back to the point where I've got my 3 adjacent blue knit stitches under their 1 shared yarn over, followed by my 3 adjacent pearl stitches under their shared blue yarn over there. And because I'm working in inverted mode already, both of my yarns are at the back of the work over the top of the right hand needle. First thing to do is slip 1 stitch with the shared yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right. That's going in from front to back, just into the 1 stitch with its yarn over and slipping them both over to the right needle. Step 2 is slip just the yarn over with no stitches, again knitwise, going in from front to back, from the right needle back to the left, like that. We'll do that a couple more times over the next 2 stitches as well, don't worry if you missed it. Step 3 is slip a 2nd stitch with the shared yarn over, again knitwise and again from the left needle to the right. Again, this time we're going to slip the shared yarn over on its own, knitwise back from the right needle to the left, and we do that a 3rd time with the 3rd stitch. Slip the stitch and the yarn over knitwise together over from the left needle to the right. Step 6 is slip all 3 stitches with the shared yarn over together and purlwise from the right needle to the left. So going to all 3 stitches and the shared yarn over purlwise like that and slipping them back over to where they started. But this time they've been remounted so that their leading leg is behind the needle. Using your pearl coloured yarn, knit the 3 stitches together with the shared yarn over through the back legs, together and through the back legs, so the needle goes in from front to back like that, and using the pearl coloured yarn I knit all those 4 strands together like that. Bring both of the yarns to the front of the work, coming between the 2 needles. Keeping my knit coloured yarn at the front of the work, take the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. Then using my knit coloured yarn over here, I'm going to purl the next 3 stitches with the shared yarn over, just together through the front legs in the ordinary way. Just got that extra yarn over in there for good measure. And as I complete the stitch, it's important as I slip those stitches off the left needle to maintain the position of this blue pearl coloured yarn over the top of the right hand needle like that, and finish everything off by taking the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. Having a look at what we've done, you can see all my 3 blue columns of stitches come together here, stacking up on top of each other with the rightmost one sitting on the top, so it looks like it leans over to the left, completely blip free there of course. And turning it over, we have the brown stitches stacking up on top of each other with the left one on top, so it leans over to the right. And that's all there is to it. That's how to work the Blip-Free left leaning double decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche.